Hi, this is Valerie, and this is one more video from Dashled team that is going to boost your business. And in this video, we're going to speak about the customers that are actually not going to give any profit to your company at all. So they are wasting your time and they are not worth paying attention to, unfortunately. This video is going to be full of presents from our team, so be very attentive. I'm going to give you 3 presents in the video, so let's start. In one of our videos, I told you about the ideal customer profile. So a customer you should strive for, a customer that is definitely going to purchase from your company. If you have forgotten about what ideal customer profile is, go and check this video to learn more about the ideal customer profile you can build straight away and start using it. So the ideal customer is something you're striving for. But what about the rest of the people that fall into your funnel? They are not likely to buy from you, but they are likely to disturb your attention and they are likely to waste the time of your sales team on nothing. And unfortunately, they won't get from you, so you're not going to benefit from them and you're not going to return the investment. What are you going to do with those people? All right, let me give you an example. Like you have contact details from a customer. So they share their contact details with you and they ask you to give them a call. So your sales team is calling them and they're having a lot of calls, a lot of negotiations, a lot of demos, even personal meetings. You have exchanged tons of emails with them and it's been a year since you started the communication with the customer. And at the end of the year, the customer says like, okay, I'm not ready to buy. Those people are called tire kickers. Like they come to the car shop, they just kick or bump the tire and they are not purchasing the car because they're just wasting their time and wasting the time of the people who are working with them. Well, those type of people is not beneficial to your business, and in this video I'm giving you the recipe how to define these type of not customers and how to work with them not to waste the time of your sales team. You can easily define a tire kicker using these criteria. So this customer is a good one, they are likely to purchase, and this type of customer is a tire kicker. Now press the pause button and check all this. Ready? Let's continue. The kickers are easy to detect by the actions or not actions they do concerning your business. Well, the very first one is that they are not going to investigate your product, they are not diving into it, they are not activating into the features, but they are immediately asking your sales team to contact them. So they are kind of lazy, they are not going to get their personal experience and they want other people to do that instead of them and tell everything during a 1-hour demo. So again, that is a 1 hour wasted by your sales rep. Well, still after the demo has been done, they're starting the pricing negotiation. Can you give me your best price? Do you have anything more affordable? Do you have the expanded demo version? And so on. So these questions are also the sign of a tire kicker. One more distinguishing feature of a tire kicker is that they love to talk. They can talk with you for hours. They can exchange messages with you on any possible messengers. They can speak with you about whatever they are interested in, their personal life, your product, your business, their business, everything. So it's just talk, 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 and talk, which is never ending. One more thing, which is also definitely a sign of a tire kicker, is that they don't have the deadline for getting your product. So they are not aware of the timeline they are having and they're just wandering around the web and searching for something they don't know what they want to get. At the end of the day, they come to you and ask your product to give them for free. If someone wants a product for free, it means they do not respect the effort you've put into building your product. Well, are you going to deal with these type of people? Definitely not. Sometimes the tie kickers can be even aggressive, and they can be aggressive on all the stages of the funnel they are going through, or at some of the stages, but you're going to feel it. So just this is also because they do not respect your time, they do not respect your team, and they just don't know what they want, and this turns into the aggressive behavior from their side. If you are facing the situations with the angry customers or angry possible customers and you don't know how to deal with these type of situations, go to the description of this video and get a present from Dashlet team, the guide how you can deal with the aggressive type of customers and how you can solve any of the aggressive situation within the snap of the finger. And probably the final and most important sign that you're talking to a tie kicker is they don't fit the ideal customer profile your company has. So they are not your buyer persona, they are not your ideal customer, they are not a fit to your company and your product at all. So once you define that they are not going to be your potential customers and your customers at all, but stop communication and start talking to those who are really into your product and who are your buyer personas or match the ideal customer profile. If you're still hesitant how to build your ideal customer profile, again, go to the description of this video and download your free copy of the Ideal Customer Profile Guide so you can print it out or use it internally and you can build the profile you're going to follow across all the activities, by the way. So is there actually a way to convert a tie kicker? So would you like to pursue that dream of converting everyone who is into your funnel? Well, probably that is possible, but not today. Anyways, you can always have them into your funnel and you can always have the nurturing campaigns and different types of automated messages that are going to hit their email box or messages or whatever communication channel they're using. But the most important rule here is that don't waste the time of your sales representatives on the tie kickers. Qualify at the beginning of the funnel and make sure you're talking to the right people. That is it for today. Wishing you never deal with tie kickers, wishing you the funnel full of ideal customers and your buyer personas, and see you in the next videos. Bye!